You will be required to use MLA formatting in keyboarding class. MLA is a style of formatting used for documents and citations. Whenever you have to cite a source or a bibliography or refer to where you got your information for a paper or a PowerPoint, you have to cite your source in citation format. MLA format also allows you to set your documents in a certain format. An easy way to remember how to format your document is to remember the sentence, "Little monkeys have hairy tails itching for weeks." First, set your page to double space. Click right here to go to 2 for double. Then you want to set your margins. Go to Page Layout, Margins, Normal. You'll notice that your normal margin is the same thing as required for your MLA margins. 1 inch, top, bottom, left, and right. The next thing you want to do is set your header. So insert, header. You just want to start off with a blank header. Type your last name, space, and then insert a page number. Go page number, current position, plain. You want the computer to set your page number. That way when you're on page 17, it doesn't say page 1, it says page 17. Each page will be numbered numerically correct. Once you've completed your header, you want to make sure that it's located on the right-hand side of your page. So click on your right Align Text Right button or Control-R for your shortcut key, and then double-click underneath the blue dotted line. The next thing is heading. Your heading consists of student name. In this case, our student's name will be Jane Doe. Teacher's name, which is me. Class name, which is keyboarding. And today's date. When you're writing out a date, you want to make sure that you spell out the month. You put the date of the day, comma, 2010. So far we've gone over little monkeys have hairy. They have hairy what? They have hairy tails. If you'll look on the second page of your handout, you'll see this sentence written out for you. Tails. So your title is going to be centered. Click right here for center. And then you want to start typing your document. Hit indent and begin typing. Let's review what we've gone over so far. Little monkeys have hairy tails itching for weeks. Little, that is your line spacing. Make sure your line spacing is double. Click here for 2 for double. Little monkeys. Monkeys stand for your margins. Go to Page Layout, Margins, Normal. Little monkeys have. We're going to insert a header, blank, header. Make sure you also insert your page number. Insert page number, current position, plain. To get out of your header, double click below the blue line and you're going to insert your heading. Your heading consists of your name, teacher name, class name, and current date. Little monkeys have hairy tails. Your title will be centered. You do not want to put your title in all caps. Just capitalize the first letter of any of the important words. Little monkeys have hairy tails itching. You want to make sure you indent that first paragraph, that first sentence of each paragraph. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll notice that you have one-page reports. This is your footnote. It corresponds to your citation on your works cited page. This is your footnote. Most of our documents in this class will not have footnotes. If you'll look at your works cited page, your works cited page is always on a separate page. To get your works cited page to where it's indented on the second line, your citations, you want to use a hanging indent. To get a hanging indent, you go to Paragraph, Special, which is right here, Hanging, and you want this to be 0.5. Hit OK. This is how you create an indent on the second line instead of the first line. Finish typing your document, and if you have any questions, just let me know.